Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, this November, we celebrate Children's Month. This representation would like to commemorate the hundreds of innocent children who were caught in the crossfire of the bloody, brutal, and anti-poor war on drugs. We in Akbayan echo their families' call for justice. Napakabigat pong gunitain ang buwan na ito, lalo na tila kinalimutan na lamang natin at sinantabi ang panaghoy ng mga magulang na nawalan ng anak. These children died during police operations ordered by authorities. So no, Mr. Senator, just doesn't happen. If we could all recall, former President Rodrigo Duterte promised to get rid of illegal substances Davao style. Thereafter, the Philippine National Police issued Command Memorandum Circular number 16/2016, which introduced Oplan Tokhang. Oplan Tokhang literally means to knock and plead. But to the collective memory of Filipinos, Oplan Tokhang is now synonymous with extrajudicial killings. Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, these extrajudicial killings were not ordinary murders. They were cold-blooded acts of violence, state-sponsored, systemic, shameless. Kasama ng pagpaslang kina Mika, 3 taong gulang, Danica, 5 taong gulang, Skyler, 4 na taong gulang at iba pang mga bata ang simula ng pagkawala ng ating pagpapahalaga sa buhay ng tao. Ang simula ng pagkamanhid natin sa walang habas na karahasan.